Hey everybody, Michael Weir, Technical Marketing Engineer at Ingram Micro here with you again today. You might look around and say, Mike, why are we seeing your full self? Why aren't we seeing your screen? Why are we in your kitchen? It's because we have a different kind of video today. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of some YubiKeys. Now, my brief research on the internet told me that unboxings are more attractive to the viewer if they're done in an informal setting, like my kitchen with someone casually dressed like I am right now. So I figured, what the heck? Let's go for a different flavor. Let's try it. This is going to be part 1 of 2 of the series. Part 2 of 2 is going to be me configuring these things into my accounts. But, let's get to it. So got my YubiKeys in my nice little package here. I ordered 2 of them. So I ordered this one is a 5 series. It is a FIPS compliant, which means it's certified, so it's FIPS 140-2 certified cryptography, because if you've watched my other videos, you know I'm a CMMCRP. I do a lot in the Fed and DoD contractor space. We got to have the FIPS on that one. And second one is a security key. Now the security key is an NFC. This is used mostly for web apps and that kind of thing, but NFC is near field communications. So if I want to authenticate to a web app on my phone or something, I just like I'm doing Apple Pay, and I'm authenticated in. So let's get on with the unboxing here. These blister packs are kind of nice. Now they all come in blisters or trays of blisters from what I understand. And they feel durable enough. I wouldn't be scared mailing these to my employees in just like standard envelopes or something. Maybe a do not crush or something. But I mean, it's really a pretty sturdy feeling little thing. Let's do the security key here first, the web app one, just because it's what's in my hand. So there we go. Now my first thought actually on seeing this is it's way smaller than I thought it would be. Yeah, okay. So this is your corporate standard issue flash drive here, right? The little switchblade kind. That's about the size and thickness of that. This is the YubiKey. As you can see, it's way skinnier. Maybe about the same footprint width-wise, definitely less tall. That's convenient. And it's got this little Y thing in the center. Now, some of the YubiKeys, I'll have to work with this one when I set it up in the second video. Some of the YubiKeys, that'll light up and you can tap it when you do certain kinds of authentication. Now, of course, I got the USB version. There is a USB-C version you can get out there as well. And yeah, one other thing, it's entirely molded. I don't see any, I don't see any major seams on it. Like you can see, it's all one piece there. There's not a molding mark or something. It feels pretty solid for something so thin. And I'm not going to hit with a hammer or something. Probably could, I guess. All right, opening up number 2 here. This is the 5 series FIPS. I did a terrible job of opening that package. Okay. So I noticed that dimensions-wise, it's pretty much identical. In fact, the two look very similar except for the color. Now, of course, this has the tracking tag on it and that sort of thing for the FIPS. But same thing, feels pretty solid. Don't see any seams, don't see anything like that I could really ruin with it. I haven't looked up if they're IP rated, 67 or 53 or whatever one of those would be. But I mean, it looks pretty solid. Like I have a, where's my keychain? Like I have a ton of stuff on my keychain here, and I feel like I could I could bang this off my keys pretty hard, and nothing would happen to it. Wouldn't have been an embarrassing video if it broke when I did that. You see, no damage, not a scratch. Maybe the tiniest little scratch marks, but I mean, it's totally fine. Nothing wrong with it. Nothing's going to stop it from being used. Cool. I like it. Like I said, if I'm a corporation or a business or something and I want to send these things out in their blister packs, these things are pretty solid. They are tear away, but I mean, plastic tucked in cardboard, that kind of thing, I'd feel totally fine doing that. If you want to set them up beforehand, like I said, this is a pretty durable thing. I wouldn't really have any worries getting this out to employees or, anything along those lines. I mean, I got good protection and everything else, as you'll see in part 2 of this video, so I'll give it a thumbs up. I kind of wish I'd been able to wreck something on the video. That would have been cool, but not everything could be destruction, I guess, right? All right, I should say on to part 2.